Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and this year I have been chosen to be an ambassador for the Sew Maxis for Mother's Day challenge. And in today's video I will be sharing information about the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge and what I plan to make. So if this is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. So initially, the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge was created to inspire mothers in the sewing community to create a simple maxi dress to celebrate and honor motherhood and to highlight women who celebrate Mother's Day around the world. And since the inception of the project, the challenge has grown and has been revamped, and improvements have been made to be as inclusive as possible. This challenge is open to all people of all nationalities and cultures, and this is also extended to every gender because we want to be as inclusive as possible. So this year, the focus of the challenge was determined to be bold and bright, solid colors and or prints. And because of that, this year's theme is So Bold, So Bright. Now, let's get into the meat of what to sew for the challenge. The challenge is for participants to sew a maxi style garment using the guidelines for types of fabrics that are acceptable varies and restrictions are minimal. However, we do encourage participants to use bright colors and bold prints such as orange, yellow, purple, green, red, and abstract, floral, polka dots, and animal prints. So for our sponsors and prizes this year, we have quite a few of them. And the first prize is going to be a Minerva Craft $50 haberdashery. I believe that's how it's said, haberdashery. And our second prize is going to be a LA Finch Fabrics $35 gift card. And then we have a third prize, which is a Love Notions pattern of choice. For our fourth prize, we're going to have a Cashmere Appleton dress. The fifth prize is going to be a $35 gift card from Extra by Stacy. And I have purchased jewelry from her before, and she has excellent jewelry, so that's my own personal experience. And then our sixth prize, it's going to be 2 6-yard pieces of Ankara fabric, a single 6-yard piece per winner. So the guidelines: garments must be made between April 11th and May 16th of 2021, of course. The finished garment must be a maxi dress, skirt, trousers, or jumpsuit of maxi length and width, and that's mid-calf or longer. And bright and bold solid and or print fabrics must be used, as discussed previously, and you must post a picture of your garment on Instagram by 11:59 p.m. on May 16th using the hashtag SewMaxi for Mother's Day. You also must tag the host of this challenge, which is Tea of Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and Crystal of Crystal Sews and Stuff, by, like I said, the deadline of 11:59 on May 16th. For our ambassadors, we have the lovely Natita of So Natural Dane and Miranda of at Mary Maker. We have myself, Talisha, CreativiTeeByT, and Cole of Cotique Made. We have Mari from Mari Sews for Curves, and we have Jen of Jenny's Originals. For what my Sew Maxi for Mother's Day plans are, I have picked out 2 patterns. The first one is McCall's 7755, which is a jumpsuit. I have been wanting to make this for a while now, and so I am going to use this opportunity to make it. And I am going to make view B, and the reason for that is because I love the shaping of the legs in view B. And again, like I said, I've been wanting to make this for a while, so I'm going to take the opportunity to do that. I also want to make Simplicity 8912, and I am going to make View C, which is the longest version, and it is sleeveless. I think this is very, very beautiful and very classy and great for all occasions. So the fabric that I'm going to use to make my patterns is going to be for the McCall 7751. I am going to use this polka dot. It's a stable knit, and I purchased this in Mexico when I was on vacation one year. I have a lot of it, and so this fits the theme because it is polka dot. And that will be again for my jumpsuit. I think that'll be pretty cute. I'm excited to see how that turns out. And for Simplicity 8912, I plan to use this yellow gauze. I believe it's a double gauze. So I plan to use this, and it will probably look similar to the pattern cover. But like I said, I think it's beautiful, classy, and it's the fabric is very breathable, and it'll be very, very nice for this time of year. So I know that this challenge is going to be fun, and I am excited to see everyone's makes. But if you have any concerns or questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to assist you. Also, don't forget to follow the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge hashtag on Instagram, and on the day of the reveal or even prior to it, maybe just look up the hashtag here on YouTube so that you can see what everyone is making. And let me know in the comments which maxi pattern of mine you like best. Do you like the Simplicity, or do you like the McCalls? Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you plan to participate. And again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.